Question 10, solve for x, y, and z, and we're given b to d is 14 square root of 6. So first thing, I can see that we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So here's 30, there's our 60, 90. And we're given the hypotenuse. So if I just draw our general triangle, we usually call the short side x, and then the hypotenuse would be 2 times that value. And the long side would be that value x times the square root of 3. So here, 14 times the square root of 6, that would equal 2 times x. So to solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So down here, x equals 14 square root of 6 divided by 2. And we can reduce that 14 over 2 to 7 square root of 6. So x is 7 square root of 6. And then we times that by the square root of 3 to get y. So 7 square root of 6 times square root of 3. Remember, we times the numbers under the square root. So 6 times 3 turns into 18. So y is 7 square root of 18. And now we need to find z. So we're actually switching back to what we did in our first unit. Look, these sides are the same. So this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, and we're given the hypotenuse. So switch back to what we did in the first section. 45, 45, 90. These side lengths are the same. And then to find the hypotenuse, you take that value times the square root of 2. So we're given the hypotenuse of that triangle as well, and it's 14 times the square root of 6. So if we want to get the leg, we divide by the square root of 2, which is actually z in this case. So z is 14 square root of 6 divided by the square root of 2. And we're just going to leave it like that. We can combine those to be 6 over 2, which reduces to 3. So I'm going to see if it lets me type it in the first way or if I'm going to have to simplify it. So 7 square root of 6, 7 square root of 18, and then 7 square root of 6 divided by square root of 2. All right, so it's saying not quite. So I'm wondering if we have to do the square root of 3 to make it... Oh, it's because I was doing 7. It's 14. I only have one more attempt, but I'm so curious if it would let me just leave it as 14 square root of 6 divided by square root of 2. I'm wondering if they make you simplify. They do not. Okay, so I was just typing in the wrong number there. It does simplify down to 3, but you can leave it unsimplified and still get it correct.